Oh, my dear doctor. It's been 2 days since you came here. Didn't know the way to my house.
Hey, what, you became so cute?
Hey, don't try and change the topic. I'm really very angry with you.
Hey, thought of coming to your home only now.
I've been dying to tell you one thing, you know that?
I'll say. Our classmate Karpaga is there, no? She got twins. That only, no?
Oh, no, not that.
No? Then Murli got job in Dubai, right?
Oh, no.
Hey, our 10th standard teacher Manimegal is there, no? Her husband might have ran away because of her torture, is it right?
Hey, none of these stupid things.
Then what?
I came to tell you about me.
Saying about you? What's that? Hey, who is that guy?
Won't tell you.
Hey, come on, say!
Are you able to hear?
Eh?
What's
What
your
about
name?
now? Eh?
Now are you able to hear?
I'm not able to hear.
Still can't.
No.
Nothing else. Just a pinch. It's over.
When you're lying down for the next 15 days, keep your leg raised.
Don't worry, everything will be alright.
This is the 7th time I'm getting an abortion. Not even once I could save my child. My mother-in-law is torturing me with this. I'm really getting scared.
Bring your mother-in-law, I'll talk with her. Okay? If not this month, next month will be confirmed. At present, you take these tablets. Okay? See how is Priya. If you also studied well means you also might become doctor, no? See how she is now.
If Priya didn't study so much, if you kept playing with me, she could have come to the factory to work with me, no?
Priya, do something to lock her mouth, dear. Then only she will be silent after her marriage also.
My dear doctor, became a great doctor, no? Where are you going to inject me? In my hand or on my hip? On my hip, no?
Yeah, here only. Kalpana, this year alone 230 deaf patients are taking treatment, you know. 70 ladies got abortion and 12 members died out of heart attack in childhood. According to the government record, all these belongs to the same village. May I know what was the problem exactly? It is all only because of the god. Whole village is not in good condition. We don't know when we are going to get relief.
Yeah, true. Should just go and die.
Hey, I'm seriously talking. Don't make fun, okay?
Yeah, I know. To be a comedian like actor Vadivel, you listen carefully to me. Your set, medicine, needles and all that, grind it well and take it off. Drink some milk.
Thank you, auntie.
Priya, affected people are all employees of one factory. That too, they have worked in SV Steel factory.
Yes, please.
Hey mom, at times of emergency you should make upma. Dad itself you're taking 1 hour.
If you go 5 minutes late, means nothing is going to happen.
Yeah. You think I'm going to marry the owner of SV Steel, no? However late I go, he'll welcome me like a queen, no? He's already married. I'll ask him if he needs a mistress.
Oh, shut your nasty mouth, stupid. Have you got such a nice girl as your friend?
Bye. Go. Bye, Priya.
Hey, Kalpana, wait. Hey, Kalpana, I want to see your factory.
Why do you want to ruin my job? You look very pretty, no? That's
Hey,
right.
listen
If
to
they
me,
see you
yaar.
over there, then they won't look at me, no?
Kalpana, please, I have to see your factory.
Don't even think of it. You need a permission from head office. It's not an easy thing to do.
I want only your permission.
What are you telling me? Why, Priya? If we get caught, they're gonna kill me.
No problem. In 3 months, we'll get again.
Hi, brother. Hey, it's all okay. Come. Hi, doctor. What are you doing here?
Just shut up. Keep shut.
Hey, be careful. Come on, let's go. What are you doing here?
Keep silent.
What are you doing? Tell me what you're doing.
Shut up.
Hey, that's It's a no entry section. Nobody is allowed inside.
Can't hear you.
Nobody is allowed inside. It's very strict there.
Okay, you go.
You
I'll see.
never listen to me. No,
You
come
go.
again. Priya, don't go.
Generally, a normal person 70 to 80 decibel sound only can hear. But your factory has recorded 140 decibel sound. It is more than the thunder sound. Because of the workers working in the lot of sound only, they are getting headaches, heart problem, BP raising, concentration problem, and they may get heart attacks even. Just like water pollution and air pollution, this sound pollution also gradually kills the person. See how it is no one is caring about it. Not only in the developed countries, even in the developing countries, they are taking care of the sound pollution. But we people are still in LKG level only. Now only we got orders after 8 o'clock we should not give volume, and after 10 o'clock we should not crack crackers and all. To say silence also, we practice to say loudly only.
Move away! Move away! I said move away! See that, sir?
Oh shit.
Oh my god. What is this, man? You could have put somebody experienced, right?
Sir, she's got 6 months
Or
experience.
6 months experience. Come with me outside.
Sorry, sir.
They just
Have
come.
you informed the doctor and the technical
What's
team and
this?
everything?
If they don't know the work, then why they are coming inside? What's this? Country fruit. You know the value of the mission? Who will pay the money for this?
Sir, you said some things.
Sir, actually we can break the machine and save that girl's hand, sir.
Wow, super idea, super idea. Give me a hand, give me a hand.
Sir, leave me, sir. Sir, please leave my hand. Sir,
Now it's fading. Now it's fading, nah?
Sir, I'm
That's
sorry,
why I
sir.
said when it hurts your
Sir,
own
leave
hand,
my
only
hand,
then
sir.
you'll understand. Now will you ask us to break the machine? Car is running, right? AC is running, right? Is it running with your father's money? It's running with my money. How dare you say you can break the machine?
Okay,
I know what to do. Just shut your mouth and do your job. Go. Simply talk whatever you want to say. Hello. Who is this?
Sir, she said she is a medical college student. She's waiting for you for a long time, sir.
Hello, sir.
Please take your seat. Tell me.
Your house is so beautiful. Very pleasant also. The same beauty and pleasant, if your factory members also get, means it will be very nice. No control volume, you have to buy new machines, sir.
Which brand bra are you using? Which brand, dear? Why are you staring? If I don't like the brand that you are using, will you change the brand for me? This is like that only. For your convenience, I cannot do anything. For installing new machines, I have to stop 6 months of work. I have to pay salary for all those people who do not work for 6 months. For buying the new machines, I have to put around 120 crores. If any common man around dies, am I the person to spend that money? I shall buy bundles of cotton and give, stuff them in the ears and work. Noise is piercing, it seems. Nonsense.
To make your 100 crores as 200 crores, why should the innocents must die?
Hey, why she is doing like this and talking like this? You have to kill her.
Hey, just close your mouth. God knows what all evidences she has. I know what to do with her.
Hello.
Who are you, ma'am? Why are you going inside?
No, please no. Kalpana, open your eyes. Kalpana, please Kalpana, open your eyes. See me. Just see me once. When did it got?
It's been 1 hour, Doctor.
Oh,
Bhupri is
God.
taking care.
Oh my God. Oh, bleeding is going on. Sir, please break the machine. Blood loss is
Kalpana.
going on severely. Immediately have to take her hospital.
Sorry, ma'am. I don't have permission to break and all. You ask the GM.
She is dying over here. Please break the machine.
I don't know anything, ma'am. You go and ask there.
Sir, please break the machine. Kalpana. Sir, please, sir, break the machine.
I don't have permission to break. Ask the GM. I said,
wait. Sir, Kalpana is my friend, sir. She is getting severe loss of blood, sir. Please come and ask them to break the machine, sir.
What are you talking? We are not supposed to break machine. We have the permission only to repair that, okay? The technical team are working on this continuously. Within 2 hours, the hand will be removed.
Sir, I am a doctor, sir. 2 hours, she can't bear that, sir.
What are you
Please break
talking,
the
madam?
machine.
The machine is about 1 crore. We cannot lose it.
Machine is not important than life, sir. Please, sir. Please come and ask them to break the machine, sir. She is getting lot of blood loss, sir. Please. Please ask them to break, sir.
Hello? Yeah, tell me. Huh? What? Okay, do it fast. You can go. The hand will be removed in 1 hour. I've got some work here. Can you please leave?
Doctor! Doctor, please come fast. Sir, she got severe blood loss. Please arrange for A positive blood, sir. From long time she was unconscious, sir. Immediately we have to give tips also, sir. Sir, first give the first aid, sir.
Sorry, ma'am,
Ask
she's
them to
already
keep the
dead.
emergency water ready, sir. Kalpana! 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 In this corporate owner society, there is no value for the workers. Their only motivation is about the turnover and the profit. Because of the negligence of the factory only, my dear friend has lost her life. Just like her only, all the workers are dying slowly. Because of that only, I collected all the evidence which belongs to that factory. I filed the case in Chennai High Court Public Interlitigation also. Tomorrow there is a hearing. Surely they know that the case is against them. First they warned me, and now they're just trying to kill me also.
Whatever happens, Priya, tomorrow we will definitely reach the court for the case. It is our responsibility.
I don't want you people to face problem because of me.
What, Priya? Are you going to the court for a property case or an individual case for you? This is not a problem among the relatives. People's life are involved in this case. Whatever happens, we are there with you.
Why is he doing all this?
Hey, Mike, what did you tell me? The people who are living this platform are having some job and they're moving towards to reach their target. Didn't you tell me? Now we too have got a job. We have to take Priya to the court to fight her case. That's her job, my
Take your
dear.
hand off. That's your job. We'll help you. Why are you involving me in that? You like this girl, you go behind her, get beaten and killed. If you are alive, you go and get married. Otherwise, why are you involving me in that?
Mike, you're my best friend.
That only you are saying, right? I didn't say so far.
So am I not your friend?
No.
Are you sure?
Not at all.
Bro, 1 minute.
What, brother?
He says he's not my friend at all.
Why did he say so?
I think he's become mad.
Now what is his
You know how
problem?
much help I have done to my friend, my dear bro?
Is it?
He did not have money to buy liquor and he
Ah.
involved himself in a theft one day. People found out and all of them started chasing him. And I was the one who saved him from them. That day you couldn't see me as your friend, right? He got into one more problem. Nearby town he went for a hack. He couldn't pay money for that and he escaped from the saloon. That saloon owner started chasing him. That time also I saved him. You couldn't remember me as your friend that time also, right? There is one more old story, bro. I will tell you that. This guy tried to...
You stop. You shut up, man. You tell, brother. Hey, there's nothing more to get me ashamed now. You have anyway decided to die and you want me to join you. That's it, right? Now I don't mind dying. I'll join you.
I'm really happy.
Hey,
my-
Chi, leave me. Oh, my sweet little brother. There will be a million issues between friends. Why do you take all that seriously? Just chill. Actually, I didn't feel bad for what he spoke. Then what, man? There are certain people who cannot be treated as human beings, na, you dumb fool. There is no point telling all this to you.
మన అందులోనే
Our factory case, which is filed under the public litigation cell in the High Court, is coming for hearing tomorrow. The Dr. Priya has only filed the case. What is your opinion about it? Is our defense strong or is it weak? If you keep staring at my face, how is it going to
Sir,
happen?
after the Bhopal factory disaster, generally the court are very careful while giving the verdict for the pollution cases, sir. We have to note one more thing, sir. The Environment Protection Act, Factories Act, everything is against us.
Also, that girl's untimely death, which comes under the culpable homicide, is also going against us. That judgment actually cannot be ignored by us.
Most important point, in Article 21 of our constitution, they have given a case against us, so we should be very careful. Labor's life is very important, you should not take it very lightly. This case definitely will be taken very seriously in the High Court, sir.
What's this? Everyone is talking negative. You people are asking me to close the factory? Useless. It's a waste of time.
Do you know anything called locus standi under public litigation? Any idea?
What's local standing?